Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a close look at the 2-pack replacement remote control for Roku TVs from BGUP. If you've ever misplaced or damaged your Roku TV remote, this affordable 2-pack could be the solution you've been looking for. Right out of the box, these remotes are designed to be simple and hassle-free. There's no complicated setup required. All you need are two AAA batteries for each remote, and once inserted, they automatically pair with your Roku TV. That means no additional programming, no frustrating instructions, just instant functionality. Compatibility is another strong point. These remotes work with TCL Roku TVs, Hisense Roku TVs, ONN Roku TVs, Sharp Roku TVs, and Philips Roku TVs. It's important to note, though, that they're not compatible with Roku streaming sticks, Roku boxes, or other players. So these are specifically replacement remotes for Roku TVs, not for other Roku devices. The design focuses on usability and convenience. You get 4 popular shortcut buttons right on the remote, making navigation easier and faster. The infrared technology ensures a strong signal with a stable connection, allowing commands to be executed reliably even from a distance. This means you won't experience lag or delayed responses while switching channels or adjusting volume. The build is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making extended use less tiring. It's a practical 2-pack, so you can keep one remote in the living room and another in a different room, ensuring you always have a backup on hand. Overall, the BGUP 2-pack replacement remote control provides a straightforward, reliable, and cost-effective way to replace your lost or broken Roku TV remotes. It's easy to use, compatible with multiple TV brands, and designed to give you immediate access to your entertainment without the usual headaches. If you're looking for a convenient replacement for your Roku TV remotes, this 2-pack from BGUP is worth considering. That wraps up our review for today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and accessories.